All right, hello friends. Wanted to show you this. This is a 24 BNEC from Whiskey River. You might notice it looks a little different. That's because I modify everything I get, pretty much. Seems like I can't keep anything stock, at least if I get it new. I do keep the old stuff as is, but new stuff, I like to make it mine. That means thinning it out a little bit, making it octagonal. Added a little bit of concavity to that palm swell, make it feel a little bit more pronounced. Super cool shape, I love this. It's a Vermont sort of pattern to it. It's beautiful. And I have here, actually that's not the one I'm gonna use. Where's the one I'm gonna use? Right there. Got the eye cleaned out on this one. Super thin eye. This is a Spiller. I think it's 2 1/4 boys. I think it's a 32, 1932. It's either 32 or 52. Pretty sure it's 30. The 3 or 5 is a little buggered. But that'll look pretty good, I think. Yeah, I like that. Anyhow, I'll show you the finished product when it's all done, but I wanted to just highlight this beautiful handle. It's birch. I might even do a little aquafortis on it. Make it dark. Give it a little vintage look. But don't be afraid to make them your own. Octagonalize, thin it, modify it. Do whatever you want. Make it yours.